wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nuril.
My name is Priyagilat.
My name is Arjun.
My name is Ibnu. We are going to show you a procedure how to change motorcycle's engine oil. As we know that changing the oil in your motorcycle is one of the easiest and most effective ways to prolong the life of your bike and should be performed every 6 months or 3,000 miles. Second step is unscrew the oil filler cap before draining the engine oil. Place a pan or bucket under the engine and use a socket wrench to remove the drain plug. Clean the oil drain plug and wipe it off with a clean rag.
Si 14.